Welcome back to part 14 of our backyard renovation, and in this episode we are planting all of these hedges along the fence line that will eventually grow to become a beautiful privacy hedge. Now in total we have 40 trees that need to be planted. Ryan and I thought we were going to be able to do all of this ourselves, but we hired the dogs to help dig our holes. As you can see, Winnie is the only one taking her job seriously. Teddy is just along for the ride and to be the project supervisor. But I digress. Ryan and I ended up planting about 6 trees in total before we decided to throw in the towel and actually hire real help, because this was going to take us a really long time, and time we did not have, especially because we have a baby. And if you have kids, then you know free time is definitely lacking. In the end, hiring help to get all of these planted was the best decision because they had everything done in just a couple of hours. We also had a drip system installed up in this garden bed areas to help with watering, and I think that's going to be a game changer. We just finished building the outdoor barbecue, and now we have to expand the seating area over by the bar top. So thank you so much for watching, and be sure to like and follow for the next part and for more DIYs and home renovations.